Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Leon Habomvura. I'm the facilitator for this course, Introduction to Information Technology. Today I'm covering the unit number 2, which is the basic computer units. So when you talk about computer basics of the computer, we are talking about the main parts that make it. Normally we mention them as 4. We have input units, we have central processing units, memory, and output units. So from these, by starting with the input devices, we say that those are the devices that accept data, commands, and convert them to electronic form. So they get data into the computer by typing, pointing, scanning, taking the image by using webcam, the scanner, which convert from paper to software, things like that, a microphone taking the voice and put it into the computer. So when it comes to output device, we are talking about the device that will convert it from electronic form to some other forms and to display the processed results and the usable information. Among them, we can say about the monitor or screen, printer, so you understand that. So when we are talking about the output device, we have so many microfilm for graphic display, digital tablets, things like that. The projector, whenever you are projecting. So those are the output devices. And then, as you can see by the image, we have another third important part, which is central processing unit. It's the one which is converting the data to useful information. So it will interpret and execute instructions. It will communicate with the inputs. So, and it has 3 parts. The CPU has 3 parts. It has what we call control units, arithmetic logic units, and registers. So it has a block diagram illustrated by, you see by this image. We start by giving input first, then the input will give the control will send some information to register. It can be stored to memory or it can be sent to output. So by explaining each part of the CPU, starting by arithmetic logic unit, it's the one which will perform all arithmetic operations and as well as logical operations. Then arithmetic operation that we know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all of those are the arithmetic units. So the logical operators, they for evaluating greater, later, things like that. Then the control unit, it is a part of hardware that is in charge of directing the computer system to execute, store the program instructions, even communicating with other parts of the hardware. So the registers have the special purpose of managing the speed, managing the temporal storage, even locating inside the CPU. So we have 2 types of registers. We have instructional registers and data register. The instructional register will stand for holding instructions currently being executed, and data register will be holding data waiting to be processed, results from the